trying to figure out how to cone. Hey, he's figured it out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Crocker homestead. Today we are going to transplant all of the plants that we have on our front porch into our garden, so we're super excited about that. I am going to go through all of our tomato and our pepper plants that we already have in the garden. Some of them have some yellow leaves and some dying leaves, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off so that all of their growing energy can go straight into growing the plants. Jason is currently mowing the yard right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on our garden, and I'm going to show you guys all the progress that some of our plants have made, like the potatoes and the okra. We've never grown okra before and it's doing amazing, and the corn as well, so I'm really excited to show you guys that. Let's jump right into it. So now that that's taken care of, let's check out all the other growth that's happening in the garden. These are just organic green onions that we bought from Walmart, and we just used them and then we planted them back in the ground, and so far they're growing great. So here is our okra. Like I said before, we have never grown okra before, so we're super excited and happy to see that it is thriving and it's growing great. Here is a quick look at our red onions, which are doing very, very, very well. Onions seem to thrive here, so that's super awesome. We'll definitely plant some more. Our corn, you guys, I cannot believe that we are seriously growing corn. Look at these potatoes, you guys. They are growing so good. They're probably thriving the most out of anything that we planted in the garden. So we are looking forward to some homemade French fries. So I got my tools, and I'm going to go ahead and start taking some of this to the garden and get started on transplanting these. I definitely think that they need to be transplanted ASAP. So now I'm going to start planting, and I'm going to start with some of our lettuce and work my way down.
Just trying to finish up planting this stuff in the garden. Jalen did a whole borrow his lawnmower. And now we're trying to plant all this with our dollar tools.
So Jason and I just finished planting all of the plants that we had on the porch in the garden. It was a lot of hard work, but now we are going to water the garden just a little bit. It's going to rain tomorrow, so they'll get watered really well tomorrow. We just got done out in the garden. We planted everything that we had out on the porch and we watered it just a little bit. We didn't water it too much though because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so it'll get plenty of water. Hopefully everything makes it and does well. We'll see. But right now we wanted to show you guys something really cool that we got in the mail today. Check it out.
We got this Back to the Basics book, and it's literally anything from building a log cabin or out of stone or adobe to canning your food, growing your food, livestock. I mean, literally everything. The craziest part is this. Let me show you real quick. So you guys know that we do coffee with the Crockers, and this morning we were actually going to talk about getting back to the basics. And to prove I'm not lying, today is the 5th. And here's our list for coffee with the Crockers. And right there, getting back to the basics, it was modified on April 3rd. How crazy is that we were going to talk about that? Like I've said before in many videos, I like very simple, basic things, and I want to live that way, and I want to grow our food and do the homesteading life and live super minimal. So I thought that was insane, but the cool thing is Grady McNutt gave it to us, and he signed it on 3/12/2019, and he got the book in 1988.
No, he got it in 1989. That was the person who had it before him.
Oh, so he got it in 1989, but the person that got it from him had it in 1988. And he had this, and he told us that he hopes that this can help us out. And Grady McNutt, you have no idea how cool you are and how much you literally read our minds, because I honestly can't tell you. We were going to do the coffee with the Crockers about getting down to the basics and what kind of house we're going to build and all that stuff. And I said, no, we can't do that because we don't want to give away all the stuff about our house yet, because we're going to do a whole video on it. So we didn't do it. And then, of all days, we get this stuff in. But not just that, guess what else we got?
He also got us these super cute little piggy salt and pepper shakers. He said since our restriction on our land is that we can't have any pigs, he wanted to give us these, and these will be our little homesteading pigs since we can't actually have real ones. But these are super, super cute. Thank you so much. I absolutely love them. I love the color, the design. They're so adorable. Do you guys agree? Give us a thumbs up if you agree. So we've had a super long day in the garden. It's really hot today, which I'm not complaining. I love that the sun's out. I'm not looking forward to the rain. But it has been a long day, and we took the puppies this morning to be picked up and transported for their neuter. And then we have to go pick them up right now. So we are gonna head out and go pick up the puppies, and we'll...
Jared is outside mowing, and I mowed earlier, and then now he's mowing the rest, but he came home with this birthday cake drink. So, thanks, Jared. I'm going to assume this is for our early birthday gift.
No, it's my early birthday gift. My birthday's closer than yours is. But we'll see you guys in just a minute. You guys okay?
So they got the cone of shames on.
You okay? Pups?
They did not know how to act not being on our property, the lady said that every time they went to touch them, they just peed everywhere. So I guess we need to socialize them a little more. But as you can tell, they're doing good. They are no longer manly men, but it's good. No more babies. They're vaccinated, dewormed, everything. So they're ready for the trip, or he is.
So that's pretty much going to be the end of our day today. Jared just got home, and like you saw earlier, he brought some special drinks. So we're just going to relax and enjoy the rest of our day and plan our trip to the OG Crocker homestead.
And I think we're going to go live tomorrow. That's going to be the last one of the month.
The only one of the month.
Yeah, so we're going to start doing it once a month. So check it out tomorrow. We'll go live. And
as always, you guys, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and
hitting the notification button.
Yes, and liking us on Facebook and Instagram. We love communicating with you guys.
Yes.
And we have been on it on our comments. We are taking this seriously. We want to try and comment back to everybody that, leaves us a comment, because you take the time out of your day to say something to us, and we want to take a moment to be able to say thank you for that and let you know that we did see your comments and we want to talk to you, and just thank you so much for being there for us.
Yep. So we'll see you tomorrow on the live chat. Bye.